Hello, I'm Les Merrill with RETEGO Labs. We're proud to sponsor this afternoon's keynote speaker, John Foley, former lead solo pilot for the Blue Angels. John's message on high-performance teamwork perfectly mirrors our mission at RETEGO. To that end, we're excited to announce a major expansion of our technical bench. AMP Fellow Alan Jenkins and Corrosion Consulting now officially represent the RETEGO team. By integrating Alan's deep expertise in corrosion science with our rapid testing platform, we're delivering a new standard of excellence to the AMP community. Historically, field testing has been a logistical bottleneck. Sample collection and transport often compromise sample integrity, not to mention the lengthy lab cycles. RETEGO has disrupted that cycle. We've taken the traditional SRB testing from 28 days and compressed it to just hours, dramatically reducing time-based variability and environmental exposure. And that breakthrough is only the beginning. Our proprietary biological, chemical, and corrosion testing gives you clear, reliable data right where you need it. In minutes, not days, you can get results that are both accurate and precise, so you can make decisions with confidence and keep your systems operational. While we are a proud Utah-based company and a Utah Business Innovation Award winner, our technology is designed for complex global environments. We specialize in identifying the delta between the central supply and the point of use, whether it's diagnosing microbially induced corrosion in commercial applications or detecting toxic contaminants in residential systems. We believe that knowing the water before and after treatment is the only way to ensure systemic integrity. Accurate, timely data is the common denominator in solving our world's corrosion and water quality challenges. Please join me in welcoming Gucci. We're glad to be here.